Welcome to this session on Industry 4.0 and smart manufacturing risk. Today, we will explore how IoT, robotics, and connected devices are transforming manufacturing and simultaneously creating new and complex risk exposures. We will also examine how insurers globally and in India are evolving to address these challenges. What is Industry 4.0? Let's look at it with some data and news. So, Industry 4.0 represents the convergence of cyber physical systems, IoT, artificial intelligence, and data analytics into manufacturing. The global Industry 4.0 market is growing rapidly at around 29% CAGR, while India's market is expected to grow from $5.6 billion in 2024 to over $17 billion by 2033. Recent developments, including leadership programs and skill initiatives in India, highlight the national focus on smart manufacturing transformations. Some of the key technologies driving risk are behind the Industry 4.0 includes industrial IoT, robotics, AI, and cloud or edge connected systems. By 2025, global IoT devices are expected to exceed 21 billion, with industrial IoT devices alone reaching over $150 million. So these systems generated massive real-time data, driving the need for edge computing and faster analytics, but also significantly increasing system complexity and risk exposures. As manufacturing systems become hyper-connected, risk evolve into complex cascading failures across operations. So the industrial IoT market is projected to grow from $194 billion to $286 billion by 2029, with Asia Pacific generating nearly 58% of global IoT data. This scale of connectivity increases exposure to cyber physical attacks and makes cybersecurity and IT OT integration a critical priority for manufacturers. Some of the real examples for IoT failures. So, consider a scenario where a smart sensor provides incorrect temperature readings. This leads to defective production across an entire batch. The organization faces financial loss, product recalls, and reputational damage. So, this demonstrates how a small data failure can escalate significantly. In another scenario of robotic arm malfunctions due to a calibration or software issue, this can result in worker injuries and production shutdowns. Such incidents combine operational losses with serious liability exposures. Some of the data validation challenges here are a major challenge in Industry 4.0 is data validation. If sensors or data pipelines fail, automated systems may act on incorrect information. Without validation layers, errors propagate quickly, leading to systemic failures. So the latent risks remain hidden until triggered, right? So these include unnoticed cyber intrusions, hidden dependencies between systems, and delayed detection of failures. In interconnected ecosystems, one failure can cascade across multiple organizations. The traditional insurance models are not designed for these risks. Limited historical data makes underwriting difficult and determining liability across interconnected systems. This is highly complex. So, to address these challenges, insurers are developing innovative solutions such as cyber physical coverage, parametric policies, and advanced risk modeling using digital twins. Some of the India specific developments. So, in India, smart manufacturing adoption is accelerating, supported by policy initiatives and industry investments. Insurers are beginning to develop tailored products, but awareness and risk engineering remain critical gaps. So, to conclude, Industry 4.0 brings tremendous opportunity along with systemic risk. Strong data validation, proactive risk identification, and innovative insurance solutions will be key to building resilient, smart manufacturing ecosystems. That's all for today I have. So thank you so much for watching this webinar. Have a good day. Thank you.